Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoom meeting reminders. This feature ensures you never miss an important meeting by giving you a heads-up notification minutes before it starts, which is incredibly useful when you're juggling multiple calls throughout the day. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Zoom account, as this will give you access to all your personalized settings and scheduled meetings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right panel of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar displayed there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This action takes you to the control center where you can customize how Zoom behaves and notifies you about various activities. In the Settings window, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of different categories that control various aspects of your Zoom experience. Click on Notifications and Sounds. This section is specifically designed to manage all the alerts and audio cues you receive from Zoom, so it's the perfect place to configure your meeting reminders. Now, scroll down through the options until you locate Upcoming Meetings. This is the feature that controls whether Zoom alerts you before your scheduled meetings begin. Toggle this option to On. By enabling this, you're activating the reminder system that will ensure you receive timely notifications before each meeting starts. After toggling it on, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears right below. Click on this menu and select your preferred timing for the reminder. You can choose whether you want to be notified 5 minutes before the meeting or 10 minutes before. The choice really depends on how much preparation time you need before joining a call. If you typically need a few moments to gather materials or wrap up other tasks, 10 minutes might work better for you. Once you've made your selection, simply close the Settings window. Zoom automatically saves your preferences, so there's no need to look for a Save button. Your reminder settings are now active and will work for all your upcoming scheduled meetings. And that's it. You've successfully set up Zoom meeting reminders, giving yourself a reliable notification system that helps you stay on top of your schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.